you a thin hair girly with a shortcut, then this video is for you. My foam wrap of choice is Main Life Collection. I love the mint, but you can also get the coconut. I do a basic mold and a couple of swoops around my front and on the side. The key to a cute style is the way you mold your hair. After I mold my hair, I wrap my hair with 3 wrap strips and sit under the dryer for 45 minutes. After it dries, I use Main Life Collection Main Glaze, a nickel size amount, and I rub it in my hair, making sure it's evenly distributed all over my head. Then I take a 310 flat iron and I curl my hair forward all over. The flat iron is linked in my Amazon storefront under Hot Tools if you want to check it out. My hair is fine and very dense, so I am not curling my hair in a specific way. Remember, the trick is in the mold. Once I get to the sides, I curl those straight down in no particular order. After I'm done curling, I take Main Life's Collection Mane Oil and tap, tap, tap on my head. Before I start curling, I go ahead and fill in those bald spots with Main Life Collection Mane Filler. And I'm just taking that and sprinkling it on my scalp in those sparse areas. And then I take an extra large wide tooth comb to gently comb the curls. This is the way that I do my hair. Let me know what you think in the comments.